Hello there, welcome to the Microsoft Office Specialist Excel Associate 2019 course. Today we're starting with Sample Exam 2 and we'll be going on to Project 1. As always, you can get your files from the Office Master 19 YouTube channel. So today we have the file greatest.xlsx spreadsheet open. So I'm in the spreadsheet and question 1 is to import the mangers.csv file. Note the first row contains headers into cell A2. So I click into cell A2, so just bear with me. I go to data, I go to from text CSV, so just give me a sec there while it loads. Now I need to navigate to my folder, so I'm going to navigate to my folder. So that's just going to take a couple of moments there. So again, bear with me while I just navigate into the folder. So I go into my exam preparation, sample exams, sample exam 2, and it's managers. So now I just need to give it a moment or so just for it to load up. So that's now loading. So now I need to click on the drop down arrow on load, and not on load itself, but on the drop down arrow. I need to click on load to. So just bear with me. Now I need to click into existing worksheet. Make sure it says A2 in there. So I click OK. Again, just give it a second there. Now it's just going to import there now. So I'm just going to X out of that. The next question then is to navigate to the named range called United. So I need to go to find and select go to, and make sure it's important to select United and not Managers. So I click on United, click OK. You can now see that's highlighted that range, okay? So now the next question then is to insert a hyperlink in cell B9. So I click into B9, I go to Insert, I go to Link, Insert Link, and it's to the Man United website. So it's https://www.manunited.com, and I need to click on a screen tip and it needs to have best team. So I type in best team in the box, I click OK, I click OK again. The next question then is to set the spreadsheet to have wide page margins. So I click into page layout, go to margins, and I select wide in here. So the final question then is to insert a header. So I need to go to insert, I need to go to text, header and footer. I need it to be in the center, so it's a center header with file name. So I click on file name. Now you get an ampersand in front of the file, but that's okay, just click out of it. And now you'll see that the file name is greatest showing up in the center header. So that's fantastic. That's sample exam 2, project 1 completed. And we will shortly see you on sample exam 2, project 2. And as always, thanks for watching and take care.